Aloha. My name is Andy, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process of updating the BIOS on an ASUS X554 X555 laptop. Step 1, I identify the exact laptop model. I check the sticker on the bottom of my laptop to find the full model name. In my case, it's X554 X722D. Step 2, I check the current BIOS version in the system information. Here, you'll find the current BIOS version and motherboard model. For this laptop, the BIOS version is 311, and the motherboard model is X555LD. Step 3, I go to the official ASUS support website and I search for X555LD. I verify if there are available BIOS update files. I found 3 versions and downloaded them to my desktop. Step 4, I unpack the downloaded BIOS files. Step 5, I copy the unpacked files directly to the root of the C drive. Step 6, I restart the laptop and enter the BIOS settings. I navigate to the Advanced tab using the right arrow key. Then I navigate to the Start Easy Flash using the down arrow, then I press Enter. In the ASUS Tech Easy Flash utility window, you'll see the current BIOS information on the left. The hard drive partitions listed: FS0, FS1, FS2, FS3. Typically, the FS0 partition is the boot partition. The FS1 partition is likely the C drive, where I placed the BIOS update files. The FS2 partition might be the D partition. The FS3 partition could be the recovery partition. Step 7, using the arrow keys I select the FS1 partition and I locate the X555LD AS.312 BIOS update file. The 312 version BIOS update updates the embedded controller firmware. I press Enter to select the file. A message box will appear: do you want to update BIOS?
Warning. During the update procedure, make sure your battery is charged minimum at 25%. Make sure your system is connected to AC power. Do not disconnect the laptop from the AC power. Do not shut down or reboot the laptop. Do not connect or disconnect any USB device. Do it on your own risk. I will not be held responsible for any damages.
I press the left arrow, then Enter to confirm. The update will begin. Once it completes verification, the laptop will shut down automatically after a few seconds. Step 8, I press the power button to turn the laptop back on. The Windows is booting. In the system information, the current BIOS version is 312. The BIOS update was successful. Now I will reboot the laptop and I will show the 312 BIOS settings in pictures. If this video was useful to you and do you want to reward me with a cup of coffee, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description, select one cup and click on the support button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.